What if an AI system rejected your job application? Not because you're unqualified, but because of bias hidden in its data. Now imagine, who is responsible for that decision? That's exactly why ethical AI is becoming one of the most important skills today. In this video, we'll break down the CertNexus CEET certification, the core principles of ethical AI, and the career paths you can explore, even without coding. Let's start with the foundation, ethical AI principles. AI learns from data, but if the data is biased, the decisions will be biased too. This has already happened in real-world hiring systems, where certain groups were unfairly filtered out. That's why fairness matters. AI systems must treat everyone equally, regardless of gender, background, or identity. Now comes the second part, accountability. If an AI makes a mistake, who takes responsibility? Organizations must ensure clear ownership, human oversight, and proper auditing, because AI should support decisions, not blindly make them. Now let's talk about governance and risk. First, transparency. AI should not be a black box. People should understand how decisions are made. Transparency builds trust. And without trust, AI fails. Next, responsible deployment. Just because you can deploy AI doesn't mean you should. AI systems must be tested, monitored, and evaluated before real-world use, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare or finance. Ethical AI is not just about building systems, it's about deploying them responsibly. Now, here's where things get exciting: career opportunities. As AI grows, companies need professionals who understand ethics, risk, and governance. One key role is an AI ethics officer, someone who ensures AI systems are fair, unbiased, and aligned with company values. Then there are compliance and governance professionals. They make sure companies follow regulations and avoid legal risks. And here's the best part: you don't need deep coding skills for many of these roles. That's where CertNexus CEET comes in. It bridges the gap between AI understanding and ethical responsibility, making it perfect for business professionals and beginners. But let's pause for a second and connect this to the real world. Every day, AI is quietly making decisions that affect people's lives. What content you see, whether your loan gets approved, or even how your performance is evaluated at work. Most people don't even realize it's happening, and that's exactly the problem. When decisions become invisible, accountability becomes weak. This is where ethical AI professionals step in, not to stop AI, but to make sure it works fairly for everyone. Think of ethical AI as the human layer on top of technology. AI can process data faster than any human, but it doesn't understand context, emotions, or consequences. It doesn't know what is right or wrong. It only knows patterns. So someone has to guide it. Someone has to ask the uncomfortable questions. And that role is becoming more valuable than ever, because companies are realizing that technology alone is not enough. Across industries, this shift is already happening. Companies in finance, healthcare, and even e-commerce are now investing heavily in responsible AI practices, not because it's a trend, but because mistakes in AI can be extremely costly. One biased system can damage a company's reputation overnight, and rebuilding trust is much harder than building technology. That's why ethical AI is quickly moving from a nice-to-have skill to a must-have role. Now, if you're someone who feels like AI is too technical, here's something important. You don't need to become a programmer to enter this field. What you need is awareness, critical thinking, and the ability to understand how decisions impact people. In fact, people from non-technical backgrounds often bring a fresh perspective that purely technical teams might miss, and that's a huge advantage. To prepare for CertNexus CEET, you need to focus on understanding concepts in a practical way. It's not about memorizing definitions, it's about recognizing real-world situations where ethical issues can arise. The more examples you explore, the better your judgment becomes. And over time, you start seeing patterns in how AI behaves and where risks can appear. Looking ahead, the future of AI will not just depend on innovation, it will depend on responsibility. The companies that succeed will not be the ones with the most powerful AI, but the ones people trust the most. And trust is built through transparency, fairness, and accountability. This is where ethical AI professionals will play a defining role in shaping the future. AI is shaping the future, but ethical AI will define it. If you want to be part of this transformation, now is the time to start. Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI career content and start your journey into ethical AI today.